Hi, everyone. Let's talk about using Pinterest to find trending themes. Now, you can either use that for keywords that you put in your listings if it's something that's really trendy all of a sudden and you don't have that and it's appropriate, or you can use it to get ideas for products and maybe new things that you should be putting in your shop or things maybe you should be advertising if you use ads. Then this can actually tell you what kinds of things you should be advertising now because that's what people are looking for now. So let's go over to Pinterest and the benefits of using Pinterest trends, which you're going to find at trends.pinterest.com, or you could go to, and this is on desktop, the business manager, this little tab up at the top here will have the trends under the analytics section. Okay, so when you're in Pinterest trends, you can either just search a keyword, see what the trend for it is, and it'll give you a chart for the last year. You can see what kinds of things match the pins that you have up there already. But pay attention to this because here's trends in wedding theme, and I might want to do some wedding themed pins that would go up now. The thing about pinning things, though, is that it takes a while for those to get into the system. So if it's something that's super trendy right now, by the time it gets into the system, it might not be picked up by Pinterest for this year, but if it's a seasonal thing, it could come back next year. We have desserts, so Easter desserts. This is a week before Easter, so that makes sense. Bunny bait recipe, that's cute. I've never heard of that. And so you can get ideas for things that you've never heard of before. I saw one for a leprechaun trap. Oh my God. I have a story about that, which I won't get into now. But these are things that you might not have thought of, and you can go and put those in your listings, or you can make, listings about them if you don't have listings for that. But these are things that are kind of trendy based on the pins that I've put up. But yeah, look to see what they're showing here. And then you can go down and see what the growing trends your audience loves. This is for the people who are following you or who have engaged with any of your pins in the last 90 days. All right, that's pretty good information because clearly, like I said, this is a week before Easter, so everything is Easter, which makes complete sense. And here, okay, here's some St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is over, but this tells me that maybe for next year, I can do some more St. Patrick's Day stuff because if my audience is looking for that now, then they'll be looking for it again next year. Why not? So just take a note of that. So anyway, look at the growing trends your audience loves. You can filter this if you want to just look at DIY and crafts. Let's look at event planning because I think that that will probably include a lot of wedding stuff, but it also see graduation party. I don't have a whole lot of keywords about graduation or products specifically for graduation or, pins about graduation, but maybe that's something that I should be looking at. And I know that high school graduations are coming up, college graduations are coming up. So that's probably why it's trending right now. But that's the kind of thing that will inform my content for the next year. And it's not going to get many hits this year, but next year it will, because this is the stuff that my audience is looking at. And we've got a lot of baby shower stuff, and I do a lot of baby shower pins. Okay, it's only giving me these four for event planning. I could go down to wedding because I do cake decoration, so that would make sense. Simple wedding cake, flower cake, wedding cake. This is good information for me. So just go down and take a look at everything, see what your audience is actually looking at right now. Because if they're not they're not just looking at this now, they're going to be looking at it next year too, most likely. This is good information. Okay. And this is not stuff that's a prediction. This is telling you right now that this is what's going on. So you better pay attention. Right now, if you want to discover trends, you can go down here. This is sorted by top yearly trends. Sometimes it's sorted by growing trends. I think it's whatever you leave it at when you leave. So you can come over here and get ideas. Look, you can see the weekly change. See, this is down because St. Patrick's Day just went past. So of course, this week, nobody's going to be searching for leprechaun traps, but monthly is still going to be high. So you have to use your kind of common sense. And I'm not going to go and make a whole bunch of stuff about leprechaun traps right now because no. But this is the kind of thing where you can get ideas about, like, look, peaceful arts and crafts projects. I don't even know what that would be. So I would look that up on Pinterest to see what kind of things it's bringing up. But if you do kind of, needlework kits or something that's calming arts and crafts, maybe that's what they're talking about. And that's the kind of thing that you could be looking to make products or pins for. And put this kind of stuff in your keywords. If you have a kind of I'm thinking like repetitive crafts that people like needlework or drawing, coloring is supposed to be very relaxing. So if it's a peaceful arts and crafts you put the word peaceful, because I think a lot of people wouldn't think about that. But if they're actually searching for it on Pinterest, then people are using that word. Now, see, it is a spike here, though. So maybe that time has passed. You would have to go and look into that a little bit more. Another thing you can do here, I like looking at the yearly trends just to see how stable things are. And you can see, like here on Mother's Day crafts, here's the spike. This is the chart, Mother's Day crafts. This is probably going to spike in May. Yeah, see, March, it's starting to go up. Okay, so Mother's Day crafts, I would think would be crafts that people are making with little kids to give to their mothers. And it's something to get. So again, if you have craft kits, then that might be good if you have craft kits for kids. But you can see that that's a seasonal trend. It goes up, it comes down, and then right here is where this end hooks up to this end, and it starts to go up here. And this makes total sense because that's when Mother's Day is in the US. So you can see all the Mother's Day keywords down here. They give you additional ones. They're all spikes. Those are all seasonal trends. But looking at the yearly trend chart will tell you that. And you can see when things go up and down. If you're looking at monthly, sometimes it doesn't really give you that whole, like a holistic view of the whole thing. So, maybe if you did a craft kit, if you do craft kits for kids or something like that, and you have something that you could make for Mother's Day crafts that you don't really focus on, make some for next year, because that's going to go up every year. And it looks like the kind of thing that people would be looking for on a seasonal basis. All right, now another thing you can do down here, I've already checked this in DIY arts and crafts, and see, this is different. I had the DIY arts and crafts checked, so that's why it's showing us the craft things. Then the thing that I use the most is keywords. So let's say that I am going to design, I don't know, let's do baby shower, because we were looking at that before. Let's do baby shower theme. Let's try this and see what comes up, because this might give us some idea. And okay, fall baby shower themes. This is giving us the trend of when these searches are popular. Pumpkin, okay, pumpkin baby shower it's a kind of normal theme. Berry sweet. I wouldn't have thought of that. Okay, so maybe I could do some cupcake toppers that are little berries. And in the keywords on that, I would call it berry sweet baby shower theme cupcake toppers. Right. So this is, and look, the trend here, it's going up, 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 probably because this is springtime. Now, I don't know if this is a new theme. A lot of new baby shower themes kind of get picked up every year. And sometimes you'll see a curve like this. Let's go over here to this one. This is probably a good one to look at. Okay, so last year it was really low. And remember how the trending ones, like the seasonal ones, will kind of match up on this end and this end? This is new. Okay, so this is a new trend. Maybe it was a little popular last year, but it's getting a lot more popular this year. That's really good to know. And guess what I might be doing this afternoon? I might go and make some berry cupcake toppers for this. Berry baby shower ideas, strawberry theme baby shower ideas, strawberry baby shower theme. So definitely there is enough here. And look, this is obvious that every single one of these charts, and you can choose for every single one of these charts if you put them on top of each other, except for this one, strawberry baby shower. But look, strawberry theme baby shower, berry baby shower ideas, strawberry baby shower theme, all of these. It was kind of popular last year. It did definitely go up in the summer, or the spring and the summer, and then it dropped. And now it's really getting more popular. Okay. It's just in general, or these two, which is the blue and the purple one, strawberry baby shower theme and berry sweet baby shower theme. But it looks like there is kind of a natural rise. And if you look at the orange and the green here compared to here, it's the same kind of pattern. It went up a little bit, then it went down, but it's going up more this year than it did last year. So that tells me that this is a baby shower theme that's not brand new. It's been around for a while, but it's more popular this year than it was last year. And like I said, guess what I'm going to do when I quit doing this? I'll go and make some strawberry baby shower cupcake toppers, and I will keyword it with these types of keywords. I'll do a little research. I'll find some more keywords to use. But that's the kind of thing that you can figure out by looking at Pinterest trends. And like I said, this is not predictions. This is not people saying maybe this is going to be popular. This is stuff that's happening right now, and you can definitely capitalize on that. So you can get a lot of information from this. And then if you want to change this to monthly trends to see what's more popular right now, Halloween baby shower cake is apparently more popular. Okay, no, all right, that makes more sense, right? So basically, it's showing us this trending up in that chart. So it's a good point that maybe you need to click through to the whole chart if you see something that doesn't make sense. But if you want to go in and just kind of explore something, click on this and the whole thing will open up. So definitely use Pinterest as a source for ideas because it's telling you what people are searching for right now. It's not guessing. It's not in the past. It is kind of in the past. You have to look at the dates, but it will tell you exactly what people are searching for right now. And it's right in front of you. And you can see if there's trends. You can see if it's seasonal. You can see if it's pretty flat. So it's evergreen. It stays the same all year. And you can see which terms are better than others too. Because if you're looking and comparing those graphs, there were some terms that are searched more than others. And so now you know what keywords are better, right? Okay, so leave me any questions. And if you're interested in my Pinterest class, I'll put the link in the description of this video, and I will talk to you later.